Hello, I'm Ilan Garibi and I'm going to teach you a model by Madonna Yoder. It's called Dancing Ribbons and it's a tessellation and it's made out of a 16 by 16 grid. In this one we are going to learn the hexagonal twist, the triangular puff and the rhombus puff. I'm not sure if this is any formal names, but yeah, that's what we are going to do. So to start, please find the right side, and I like to do my grid bi-directional, and this kind of a way you get a side that the grid is visible, way more visible than the other side. So we are going to start with the softer side. This happens when you fold and then immediately reverse. So when you reverse, you actually pull the paper upward and you get this kind of ridges that are more visible. Okay, first we are going to pinch, and all the 6 diagonals, and you don't reach the center, you stop one hexagon before. So you go like this, all the way, like so. And then we are going to, let's go this way. We are going to overlap the creases that we made on the diagonals, so we can actually go inside until we have something that stands in the center, which is about 2 units height. And this is what I'm talking about. So you just fold to the side, and then now you can see that we have something that stands out, and it's 2 triangles height. Now we want to twist, and the twist will just go counterclockwise. So you just do something like that. You have to be quite, let's say, persistent to do that. And since this is elephant hide, you get a very clean center. And if it's not clean, you can open it a little bit and fix, and then it is completely nice. So now we go back and we are going to mark the positions that we want to work with. And it's actually from the center, 1, 2 points, 1 triangle, second triangle, 1 second, 1 and second, and so on, all around. And each of them we are going to find or to form a Mercedes shape or Mercedes icon shape, and which is also the piece shape, which is one line, another in 120 degrees, and another in another 120 degrees. So this line is already a mountain. So from that intersection, I have to find 2 more. And what I did, I raised the mountains here and here, or created mountains. And now I can look at it, and you can see that there is a way that you can play with it. If you go clockwise, not counter, then you get something that is symmetric. You have 120 degrees between each edge, and now you can flatten it. This is the fun part. I put my finger here on corner, and then here, and then here, and I just push down, and then you get a triangle. And that's so nice. And you make it flat and you move to the next one. So the red spot make mountains. Here you are going to have overlaps. It's okay, leave it there and go the same direction and puff. A wonderful movement. And we continue, no big issues here. I'm forcing the mountains, I'm pushing this to the clockwise, and go down. Wonderful. So now I have 3 more left. The mountain from below, I'm pushing, I'm getting those lines, and then go down. It's so satisfying. The one before last still present no big issues, but the last one will have some overlaps, because this line here is overlapping this fold. It's okay, let it be overlapped like so, it doesn't matter. And then go like this. So this was the triangular. Now we are going to learn the rhombus one. Here you have a triangle, this is the center, and you go along the diagonal, it points to the corner. So you go with this line. So you start from this corner, go up one triangle, and then you want to open this up, and you discover that there is a rhombus here. This is the rhombus. And we are going to make this rhombus symmetric. So this is going to be a mountain, and this is going to be a mountain. So I'm going to push this here and push it here. And I don't want to have all this, so I'm going to push it down. And now we have a standing rhombus. This standing rhombus is going to be flat, just like we flattened the triangle. So I'm pushing the inner corner, and then I'm going to push the outer corner. And here we have the small rhombus has become a big rhombus. Such a lovely step. And I'm forcing the creases. So once again, I'm going one out, and I'm opening the paper. Here is my rhombus. I'm pushing here, pushing here, pushing here, and now I have the rhombus standing, so I can squash it like this. Let's do another one. You can see the rhombus, but you have to release the paper from below in order to have this mountain. And now everything in place, you just push it down. Very nice, very, very nice. Another one. The secret is to pinch here and pinch here, and then go down. All the same, but the last one, we are going to meet him in one more step, so no rush. Now you can see this one, and I'm squashing it in a symmetric way, helping with my bond folder. And now this is the last one, and we have many overlaps. The point is just to release everything until you find your rhombus. Then you do the same. You want to pinch here, this goes inside, this goes down, and now you can just flatten this one as well. And now we can say we are done. And I guess if you have some backlight, it will be nicer. I cannot show you here, I don't have a backlight, but it's a beautiful design. It's simple and teaches you some fundamentals of tessellations, which is always good. So thank you, Madonna, for giving us this model, and I'm hoping that you like this one, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.